Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the vlog. Today I want to show you my shinic box fan in the window. It's letting fresh air in. The heat was getting a little static for me, so I turned this on low and I let some fresh air in. That's low. That's high. And that's off. Now I want to spin down. Thanks, everybody.
Like level 1, also low. Level 2 or high.
This fan has 2 speeds, so when it's in the middle, it's at 0. The left, it's on speed 1, and the right, it's on speed 2. It's a 2-prong, so it just plugs right in. And there's speed 1, there's speed 2.
Look, it's small, but I like it. It's beautiful and it works perfectly. Yeah, I give it 5 stars. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but yeah, it works, so that's all that matters.